Max, is he eating your bone? Is he eating it? Are you gonna take it away from him? No. Thinking about it? You scared of that little kitty? Are you scared of that little kitty? There you go.
Max, be a man.
You caught him. You trying to get his bone back.
Get your bone. Go get your bone.
Hi, Daddy. Put your tongue in your mouth. Say I love you.
I love you.
Show me a haircut. Yeah. Make a face. Say goodbye.